Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Fishing Planet promo codes. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC, and you can see that I'm on this website called redeemcodetoday.com. Here, if I scroll down, you can see that there are a pair of promo codes available right now. Make sure to check this website out as they keep these codes updated, so you may get lucky and get the non-expired ones. The next website on our list is medium.com. Simply search for it and get to the Fishing Planet promo codes webpage. Here, you can see that a promo code is also present. You can also use this platform to get promo codes for other apps. The last website on our list is Steam. Basically, Steam provides free promo codes and discounts every now and then. So you just need to keep tabs on Fishing Planet and avail the promo codes or discounts as they become available. So that's basically all about the Fishing Planet promo codes. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.